Hello and welcome to all of our viewers from around the world. We have quite a game in prospect here, just waiting for the players to emerge, and we will be underway. I'm Peter Drury, and it's a pleasure to be alongside Jim Beglin.
Thanks, Peter. It's a pleasure and a privilege for me to be here.
And so the distinctive sound of the UEFA Champions League anthem. So the two starting lineups. There's the whistle. Pushes it out wide. Ball swung in. It was all about the quality of the delivery, and they come away with nothing. Tries the route one option. Tries a through ball. Fires it in low. Yeah, he's offering an apology for that. He needed to deliver a better ball. Loose. Now the pass. Looking to shoot! That really should have hit the net.
Well, in the circumstances, I think he did well to get some sort of attempt on goal because he was pretty much hurried and hassled out of that.
Good challenge, he just stood firm. Passes it through. And that's a throw-in. Calhanoglu. Aimed long and direct. Great challenge. Looks to slip it through. Doesn't get the pass he's looking for. Looks like a good ball through. Surely! Drills one in.
They didn't manage to get nearly enough into the box, and that speaks of little ambition.
Goes long and forward. Looks to dink one in. Tries to get it forward quickly. Looks to slip it through. Tries a through ball. Turns and goes back. Shapes to shoot. Oh, the ball's come loose and the chase is on. Calhanoglu. Out wide to the right. It's well blocked and back out it comes. And it's Calhanoglu. Pumps it upfield. It will be a throw-in. Now the pass. That's not going to make it. It's a throw-in. Intercepts the throw, that's well read. Passes it through. Hits one! Goal! Inter! First blood drawn.
Well, that defence just wasn't expecting their midfield to mess up then, so when they did, they were caught completely cold by such a swift breakaway and such a well-worked finish too.
Inter Milan take the lead, 1-0.
Yeah, and they know there's plenty of work left in this one, Peter, before they can actually say that the job is over.
Calhanoglu boots it upfield. Brought forward, what does he try from here? Defending was physical, no nonsense, and it had to be.
Yeah, it wouldn't have been the most eye-catching goal we'd seen. Ultimately, the numbers prevented him from scrambling it in.
Aimed forward. With a delicate ball. No way through there. The ball needed to be better there, it's a wasted chance. Who's going to make this theirs? Calhanoglu. It's a long forward pass. Spoon forward. Tries a long pass towards the front. Well, the score's only 1-0, but that doesn't tell the full story. Cut out in the nick of time. Well played, he saw that coming. Well, he's not played the ball, that's a foul. Who's going to make this theirs? Thrust towards the front line. Floats one over. Well weighted. He's had a shot! It's anyone's ball. Decent clearance now. Can anyone get on the end of it? Oh, good interception. There is the half-time whistle.
I'm sure they'll be very happy with their first half performance and the scoreline. They'll definitely want to maintain their momentum now and finish the job.
Inter Milan go in at half-time with a slender 1-goal lead. And the second half gets underway. Inter Milan carry a 1-goal lead into the second half. Calhanoglu pumps it upfield. Well positioned to make that interception. Stefan de Vrij does well to read it and intercepts. Pumps it forwards. Looks to thread it through. Shot a goal! Aimed long and direct. Fine defending there. Really didn't have enough to concern the defence. Battles to win it back. It's gone for a throw-in.
Well, there's a lot of movement out wide now.
Yeah, you can certainly see that.
Well, I think it's a move to open the game up more, whether out wide or just getting a runner through the middle now.
Looks to slip it through. Now here's the through ball. Gets it back. Well, the defence got the better of him this time, but I'm sure he'll go again. He's made sure that that won't get through. Knocks it towards the front and back to base. You're in impressions so far, Jim?
There's a lot of football still to be played, Peter, so ideally they need to maintain an attacking endeavour.
Surely! And in it goes! A two-goal cushion, and it's looking safe! Well, from right in front of goal, there was no way he was going to miss.
Yeah, and teamwork was key to that. A beautiful piece of engineering to set him free in the box.
There is some activity down on the touchline. It seems there's going to be a change. Inter Milan grab a couple of goals without reply. It's 2-0.
Well, that second goal has given them so much more command and confidence now, and they should be able to take it on from here and either add to their lead or close it out. Surely they'll manage one or the other.
Tries to get it forward quickly. Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger.
They're actually not getting too tight, which is interesting.
No.
It's probably cautionary. Don't dive in, try to pinch it or intercept so nobody can get in behind.
There's going to be a change here. There's a man waiting to come on. And he's made certain that won't get through. Tries a through ball. It's a loose ball. Goalkeeper's ball. Aimed long and direct. Forward it goes. Tries a long pass towards the front. Deftly done. Have to tune his rangefinder before the next one. Final checks on the touchline. A change about to occur.
Well, with the introduction of such a tall lad now, we may well see a more predictable, lofty route forward, but it's still very hard to deal with that, you know, if they can affect it right.
Inter Milan have a free kick. Just a talking to, I think. Yes, it is. Inter Milan,
he
with
may
a
feign
decent
to shoot
chance
and
here,
just
and
play it
there's
into
little
the
doubt
box.
about who'll take it. Loose ball, who's going to get there? It's got through, and Stefan de Vrij positions himself well and cuts it out. Well, that's where he wants it. Now here's the through ball. Tries to stroke it through. Big chance! Tried the volley, but no.
I think it's a very good try, and I think he chose the right option, but let me tell you, that's a tough skill.
Oh, he really wanted that.
He's been a joy to watch, and that didn't miss by much. He'll be back.
Pumps it upfield. It's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. Board shows there will be 3 extra minutes. A real chance to break. Has a look and has a go. Çalhanoğlu. Looks like a good ball through. Now here's the through ball. And out to safety. Hits one! And that may well be that. That is that. Inter Milan claim victory here, and on balance they were worth it. Well, after all of that, Jim, what are you thinking?
Well, we know clean sheets are always an important ingredient in any recipe, and while delighted with the win, they'll also be very pleased to have managed a shutout.
And all that remains for me is to thank Jim Beglin. That's it from us tonight. A very good evening to one and all.